In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete order history on Temu app. Let's start with the quickest option for cleaning up your order list. Open the Temu app on your phone, then tap You, sometimes labeled as your profile. From there, go into your orders. Scroll to find the specific order you want to tidy up. On the right side of that order, tap the three dots. In the menu that appears, choose Archive. On some versions of the app, this might appear as Hide. This action removes the order from your main orders view, which is great for decluttering. However, it does not delete the order from Temu's servers. Think of it as putting something in a private drawer. It's out of sight, but it still exists. If you ever need to revisit it, you can usually find archived orders through filters or a dedicated archived section. If your goal is actual data removal for privacy reasons, there's a second route. Head to Account Settings or the Privacy section in the app. Look for options like Download your data or Request deletion. Follow the prompts to submit a deletion request and be prepared to verify your identity. This process can take time, and you may receive updates via in-app notifications or email. It's important to know that even with a privacy request, companies often retain certain records for legal, tax, fraud prevention, or warranty obligations. That means details tied to transactions may be kept for a defined period, even if other personal data is removed. For the most definitive reset, you can delete your entire Temu account. This can remove your order history along with associated data, but it's permanent and affects everything linked to your account, including addresses, payment methods, coupons, and wish lists. Before you proceed, make sure recent orders have been delivered, returns or disputes are settled, and any credits or gift card balances are used. If you need receipts for budgeting or warranty purposes, download or screenshot them first. When you're ready, open the Temu app, go to You, then Settings, tap Account Management, and select Delete Account. You'll be asked to confirm with your password. Once completed, your orders are removed from your account view, and personal data is deleted according to Temu's policy, though anonymized or aggregated logs may be retained. To recap, archiving or hiding